Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Alhamdulillah, with the grace of Almighty Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, my specialization in religious rules is under progress from Almi Majlis Muftiyan Karam, situated at Lahore in Pakistan. My name is Muhammad Sami'ur Rahman, son of Muhammad Amir Khan, and I belong to district Lucky Marut, which is a very backward area. I completed my graduation in religious scholars from Marif Sunnah Islamic Center, Karachi, just in 2023, and continued my specialization in religious rules from Almi Majlis Muftiyan Karam, Lahore, under the supervision of Mufti Khalid Mahmood Sahab Damat Barakatuhu. I think that any specialization in any field give opportunities to that person, the all things of that field, to opportunity for understanding of all things of that fields. And for this I will think that for the all religious scholars it is important to have specialization in Islamic rules, is like, because it provides, the specialization provides a practice for the man, and practice make a man perfect. This is why that a scholar, if he will make his specialization, if he will do specialization in religious rules, Islamic rules, he will be inshallah perfect in his action, and he will be easily guide to other peoples. At last, I will pray for this institute, that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give rise up to this institute and make it beneficent for the nations of the world. Thanks, with best regards of all my respectable teachers and all staff of this institute.